PG&E intended to build a nuclear power plant right here, a reactor. And the big dream, developers were already thinking there'd be a freeway from here to San Francisco along the coast. Local activists got wind of the story. Now, the way it works is the same old story. They go through the courts, they get the permissions, they got a public relations branch, and they were steamrolling this through with politicians who were making decisions without really public comment. So the activists banded together and started a campaign to make the public comment. And some fortuitous things happened. There were Malvina Reynolds, I don't know if you remember Little Boxes, Little Boxes. She wrote a song against the reactor. Okay, that got traction. The editor